Watch how fast this works. I can't show y'all the coordinates, but just know we're there. Look at him over here. Look, I can't even show you the other guy hooking up because he's already on. This is how we do it, 850.
I just hit bottom.
Just hit the bottom. Let's see. See how long it takes. He'll come back. That's him.
There he is. Oh, he's out.
Another big stud snap. Oh, I seen that. He ate it.
Get ready, he's coming back.
Yep. There he is. Nothing to it. That's a fish in less than 60 seconds. Would have been less than 30 if he would have got the hook the first time.
It's a nice one, too.
Did y'all hear that? That's the sound of success.
Nice trigger.
Trigger.
You have something swimming around it. What is that? What is that?
A fish.
Oh, that's a jack.